Hello friends, welcome to our channel Mechanical Motivator. In this video, we're going to see job opportunities for civil graduate and electrical graduate. And name of the company is Bell, Bharat Electronics Limited. They have released an advertisement calling for a trainee for a period of 1 year, and after that you can be extended up to 3 years. So let us see in detail about the advertisement and other things. This is the official website of the company, so you can get all the details in the official website. Here you can see careers, right? So choose career. Once you choose career, you can see recruitment advertisement. Click on recruitment advertisement. So many things will be popping out. So what Bell is saying is, don't respond to any fraud mails, or if they're asking you to pay some amount, means don't believe any such things. They will be asking only for the application fee, that too through the official website you have to pay in online. So don't believe any such things. And also they add that all recruitments in Bell will be through official website. Only fee will be collected from the candidate or applicant will be mentioned in the advertisement as posted. So when you scroll down, you can see two different vacancies. So today we are going to see the vacancy for the second one, that is recruitment for the post of a trainee engineer civil and electrical for various project location across the India. So here you will be having various link. First we will see the advertisement, and in the second link you can click for downloading the application form, and third you can click for paying application fee. So you have to do everything on or before Jan 11 2022. So first of all, click on the advertisement. So this is the advertisement of the Bell company. So it's an Navaratna company of India, and coming under the Ministry of Defense. So for following vacancies they are calling for, that is trainee engineer 1 and trainee engineer 1 will be post name. Number of vacancies is, for civil they are having 5 vacancy, and for electrical they are having 4 vacancy. Depending upon the reservation, they have just segregated it. Initially you will be getting a salary of 30,000. If you are extended after the training period, you will be extended for up to 3 years. So job location will be in these locations alone, that is Arakonam, Vizag, Kochi, Port Blair, Goa, Mumbai. Only those candidates who are willing to be posted to any one of the location can apply. So if not, means kindly don't apply. And age limit is 28 as on 1/12/2021, and you will be having some relaxation depending upon whichever community you are coming from. And other details are, see, you will be engaged initially for a period of 1 year, which may be extended up to 3 years. So you will be getting a consolidated pay of 30, 35, 40,000 per month, and during the first, second and third year of the contract. So qualification is, so you must have BE or BTech in civil or electrical discipline, and should have a average of mark of 55% and above for general, and SC/ST means is pass mark is enough. So you have to convert your CGPA into percentage while filling in the application form. And for civil engineering you should be have some experience in infrastructure project and multidisciplinary industrial and building infrastructure. Same for electrical, you must be having some experience in infrastructure projects and other things. So if you are having, means then it's well and good, and it will be very easy for you to crack the interview. And for interview they will be taking 75% from whatever mark you got, and 2.5 marks, that is 10% will be for your experience, and 15% will be through the interview. They will shortlist you. So this is the selection procedure for the whatever job they posted, and you have to convert your CGPA into percentage and fill the form. So they will be shortlisting in the ratio of 1:5, and only shortlisted candidates will be called for interview, and name of the candidate shortlist for interview will be mentioned or notified in the company website. So how to apply is, interested candidates meeting all above criteria can submit your application form appending the advertisement and send the application only through post. So candidates are required to enter all the information correctly in the application form, and shall send the application form to the below address. See the address here, whatever they are given here. So it has to reach them on or before 11/1/2022 only through ordinary or speed post. So other things are, if the applications is somewhat incomplete, or if any data is missing, means then it will be ineligible or not applicable, and they will return or just throw it off. So while submitting your application, you have to submit a copy of following documents, that is your 10th mark sheet, BE, BTech, final consolidate, caste community, and experience. All this you have to attach a copy of it, self-attested copy. and while joining there you need to take a medical insurance for up to 2 lakh and life cover insurance up to 5 lakh per annum. So yearly they will be getting 12,000 per from you for the medical expenses or medical insurance. Selected candidates will be posted in project site whatever we seen back. So I hope so it's very clear. So if you feel this video is useful, means kindly share the video to civil and electrical graduates. It will be great helpful for you. It's a wonderful opportunity to get into BEL. Don't miss this opportunity and do subscribe our channel and stay tuned with our channel. We will be bringing all job opportunities to your doorstep. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.